right in front of you and you're watching me on Glam Shades, the place where I test and review products just for you so that you don't have to loiter around and check out for the best products in the market. Well, this time I have with me the Garnier Skin Naturals BB Cream. As we all know, Garnier is one of the most trusted brands in the industry क्योंकि ये सिर्फ affordable ही नहीं है बल्कि इसके products काफी high quality के भी रहते हैं। इसकी सबसे खास बात ये है that it actually works as an all-in-one moisturizer और ये आपकी स्किन को काफी ब्राइटन भी कर लेता है and it also evens out your skin। और एक इम्पॉर्टेंट बात बताऊं इसकी, ये है एकदम सन प्रोटेक्टेड, यानी कि this provides you with SPF 24 and also has UVA and UVB sun protection. So ladies, as you can see, the bottle is really well designed with a lot of details on it. इसमें सबसे खास बात ये है कि आपको एक tinge of Garnier brand दिख जाएगा with the green color on it. So green color के साथ highlighted है and the brand is written in very bold letters. And BB cream को specially उन्होंने green color में highlight किया है, which is really great. Details about BB cream and how to use this cream is written on the back side of it, which is really helpful. And जैसे ही आप open करते हैं, you will find the tube. It is a very cute beige colored tube और इसके साथ है the silver colored screw-on cap. BB cream was originally found in East Asia, but sooner it became a very important part of this entire world and everybody loves it. सबसे important बात इसकी ये है कि ये काफी ज़्यादा versatile है. Whether you talk about the moisturizer or primer or foundation or even the concealer, it is literally an all-in-one product. इसलिए सबको ये product काफी ज़्यादा पसंद है. If you are a newcomer and you want to learn makeup, I think you should definitely have it in your makeup bag all the time. Well, let's check out and see why BB cream is literally one of the most important part now in your makeup bag. I don't think there is anything easier to use than this one. I mean, it's lightweight और ये काफी अच्छे से आपके स्किन में blend हो जाता है and सबसे मजे की बात ये है कि आपको बिल्कुल भी heavy feel नहीं होगा स्किन में, which is really great and I don't find it in any other product. अगर आपको no makeup look कैरी करना है, which is definitely trending these days, you should buy the BB cream right away. Reason behind this is that आप जैसे ही ये क्रीम लगाएंगे, it looks perfectly natural और काफी lightweight है. Now, being a girl, I know how difficult and tiring it becomes to carry a lot of products with us, like primer, foundation, concealer. ये सारी चीजें carry करते वक्त हम literally थक जाते हैं and we end up not applying any makeup. That's why we got this BB cream, जो ये सारे काम एक साथ कर लेता है. अगर आप इवेंट इंडस्ट्री में हैं या आप हैं बॉलीवुड में या आप कोई नॉर्मल से स्टूडेंट भी हैं, आप सभी के लिए ये एक सोल्यूशन डेफिनेटली काम आएगा बिकॉज दिस इज वेरी ट्रैवल फ्रेंडली. इससे स्मॉलर साइजेस में भी एक्चुअली ये प्रोडक्ट अवेलेबल है which is like 9 ग्राम. So I think that's amazing, right? Make sure your face is properly cleansed before using the product and apply some moisturizer on your face. Take a pea-sized amount of cream in your hand and use your finger to dot it all over your face and neck. Spread the cream using your fingers or a brush in small circular strokes. Start from the middle of your face and move upwards. Even though the product has sun protection properties in it, it's best to use a sunscreen with it to have the best of protection when you step out. अगर आप कुछ ऐसा ढूंढ रहे हैं जो बजट फ्रेंडली भी हो और जो हाई क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट भी हो, आई थिंक यू शुड डेफिनेटली ट्राई दिस वन. सो लेडीज, ये था मेरा एक्सपीरियंस गार्नियर स्किन नेचुरल BB क्रीम के साथ. मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगा एंड आई होप आप लोग भी ट्राई करें एंड यूज करें और हमें बताएं आपको कैसा लगा ये यूज करके. टिल देन, you can watch more videos about the makeup products and stay tuned for more videos right here.